मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रेन। तो आफ्टर विंटर ब्रेक एक बार फिर आपका स्वागत है और मुझे आशा है कि आपने अपना विंटर ब्रेक एंजॉय किया होगा। तो आप सभी को 2024 की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तो हम लोग विंटर ब्रेक के पहले चैप्टर टेबल्स एंड शेयर्स में हम लोग देख रहे थे कि हाउ मेनी कैट्स। सो उसके बाद में हम लोग आज देखेंगे जंपिंग एनिमल्स, पेज नंबर 124 ऑफ योर मैथ्स टेक्स्ट बुक। सो यू हैव आल्सो remember that in your class third book you have also studied about jumping animals. So like that today we will also discuss about jumping animals. So there is a frog. A frog jumps 3 steps at a time, starting from 0. So we have to find out that in how many jumps it reach on 27. So we have to count the jumps and find out after how many jumps the frog will reach on 27. So if he jumps 3 steps at a time, it means if he is starting from 0, so after first jump he will reach on number third. So in the next step means second step he will reach on 6. So after first step he will reach on point third, and after second step he will reach on point 6, and after third step he will reach on point 9, and after fourth step he will reach on 12. So this is your fourth step, and likewise after 5 step he will reach on 15, and after 6 step he will reach on 18, and after 7th step he will reach on 21, and after 8th step he will reach on 24, and after 9th step he will reach on 27. So he has taken how many jumps to come on 27? So he has taken 9 jumps to reach on 27. So it means 27 divided by 3. So we have to find how many times, means table of 3. We have to learn the table of 3. So 3 nines are 27. So after 9 jumps the frog reach on 27, and next he has taken dash jumps if he is at 36. So we have to find that after how many jumps he will reach at 36. So after 9 jump he is at 27, and after 10th jump he is now at 30, and after 11th jump he will reach at 33. 11th jump के बाद में वो 33 पे पहुंच जाएगा, and after 12 jumps he will reach at 36. So after 12 jumps means after 12 jumps he will reach at 36. So we will fill here after 12 jumps he will reach at 36. And next, if he is at 42, if frog is at 42, he has taken dash jumps, means we have to find in how many jumps the frog will reach on 42. So after 12 jumps he is at 36, and after 13 jumps he is at 39, and after 14th jump he is at 42. So your answer is 14 jumps. So he has taken 14 jumps to reach at 42. In the same way, we have to find out rabbit. In case legs of rabbit starting from 0. If a rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time, then in how many jumps does he reach at 25? So rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time. So in this case we have to jump 5 steps at a time. So rabbit will reach on the step 5 after first jump. So if a rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time, so after how many jumps does he reach on 25? So after first jump he will reach at 5, and after second jump he will reach at 10, and after third jump he will reach at 15, and after fourth jump he will reach at 20. And likewise after fifth jump he will reach at 25. So after fifth jump means in how many jumps? So in 5 jumps a rabbit reach at 25. So there are 5 jumps. The next question is he reaches dash after taking 8 jumps, means in how many, in 8 jumps on which number rabbit will reach. So we have to now reach at after 8 jumps. So we have calculated after 5 jumps the rabbit will reach at 25. So after 6 jump rabbit will reach on point 30 after 6 jump, and after 7 jump he will reach at point 35, and after 8 jump he will reach at point 40. So after 8 jumps he will reach at 40. So he reaches 40 after taking 8 jumps. So it means we have to find out table of 5. We have to count the table of 5. In 5 and then 10, 5 is 10, 5 is 15, 5 4 is 20, and 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, and 5 7 is 35, and 5 8 is 40. So we can also find it by table of 5. And next he needs dash jumps to reach 55. So after how many jumps he will reach at 55. So this you have to do with yourself. And next the practice time is your homework for today on page number 124. So practice time. So there are 6 questions of division in practice time. This is your homework for today. Okay, so do your homework and stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, thank you.